Have you ever picked up a total stranger off the street? Well, I'm the Vagrant's Valet, and that's what we're about to do. I see a lady over here by the highway, and she is not looking too good. Let's flag her down and see what's going on. Hey, you need a ride? You need a ride? Wherever you want to go.
Down to the mission.
Okay, hop on in.
You know where the mission is? What's your name?
I do. My name is Zook.
Hi, Zook.
Yeah, I'm just kind of out and about. What's your name?
I'm Britney. Nice to meet you. What's this thing up here?
That's our video here. We might be big stars someday.
Oh, hell yeah. You better take your ride easy.
Yeah, we'll be a star at stage and screen.
Hell yeah. What's your name again?
Zook.
That's a weird name.
And you are?
Internet name.
And you are?
My name's Britney. You can call me Britney.
Brittany.
You can call me Kate. Brandy has the same middle name. Brenda and Brandy both have the same middle name.
What are you out doing today?
Not much really anything. Just trying to hang in there.
Yeah?
Having fun, yeah.
Are you living on the street or?
Not much. Just giving and taking like God does, and that's what He does for us, and that's what we're supposed to do. Give it and take.
Well, God does do a lot for us.
Give and take a little.
Did you go to church this morning?
Yeah, no, I didn't go to church, but I heard a lot of things this morning, and I also seen a lot of people this morning. I'm blessed. I mean, I guess if you had to say I believe, but I don't know really what I believe in. It's weird. What kind of car do you have? Is this a Hyundai?
It is. You're very observant, Brittany. It's a Korean car, but it wasn't made in Korea. I don't think.
Well,
I think it was made in.
Something to eat, man. But I don't have money. I don't have anything. I mean.
Well, how about
I got this big, but I'd love to get some cigarettes, and I really definitely.
How about the only thing I have on me here is a can of mushrooms.
Yeah, I don't need that. That's okay.
Oh, okay. It's the only thing.
You can keep the mushrooms. That's what I'm gonna do.
It's actually the only thing I need to get some more. Or you want a pop? How about a pop?
I'll be alright. Thank you.
I got a nice pop here.
Yeah, I'll take
a big K cola.
I can't say no to a cola. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna let go of this.
Well, do you have some family or something that's looking after you? Lay it on me here. Paint me a picture. What do you have going on?
I can tell you, well, for one thing I know for sure is I'm trying to find somewhere safe to go. And there's not really much. I mean, I love the people, all they do.
Where are your mom and dad?
Well, right now, I've been on the streets for a long time, so I can't tell you where everybody is and where they're at and what they're doing. I don't know. All I know is I know so much. I know as much as they know.
Do you have a caseworker or somebody looking after you, Brittany?
Yeah, I'm hoping, definitely, yes. I have people that care for me. There's a lot of people around town that do. That's the place I need to get to up there is a mission.
Well, how about the Shalom Center? Have you talked to them at the Shalom Center?
I'd like to stay at the farm, but it's okay. No, down there is the place where, yeah, it's a friend's place. I do have a friend's place I can get to, but it's not really optional. It's more so like life and death situation. I gotta have somewhere safe to go to, and if it's not safe, then I won't be able to. I can't just picture it like the way everybody else does, because everybody is different. We all have different problems, and we all have different wants and needs. Like that, I can't take care of the things that I'm supposed to take care of because apparently they're not mine to take care of.
Well, what do you have to take care of?
Right now, I'm trying to take care of myself. I mean, that's what God. Wow. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's the only thing God would really want.
Well, where are your mom and dad?
I haven't seen them in a very long time. My mom, I don't know about my mommy. She's a mean, evil woman. She just yells, screaming at us all the time, and all we want is peace and quiet now. I don't know what they need. All I know is shit. I'm trying to keep. That's a nice Pontiac. That's a solo. Look, they're both riding solo.
Well, do you have some?
In the back of that ride.
Do you have some brothers or sisters, or?
Have you been to Shalom's? I'd like to go to Shalom's, but I was too close today.
Have you? Do you have like some brothers and sisters? Do you need to use my phone to call somebody?
I don't. I'll be okay. But it's nice that you got the phone on chat.
Well,
everybody's everybody. Thank you for all you do for me, man. I mean, if you seriously.
Well, I don't do much. I'm just
Woman
a little bit.
Man, whoever you are, it's your birthday today. Happy extra special birthday because if you serve my country, it's special. It's extra special, not just a birthday. If you serve the country, it's a happy.
Where did you stay last night? Where did you sleep last night?
I'm not stupid. I'm pretty smart, but last night I don't know where I was. I was trying to be cool. You take me up here to the service station. I'll get away. They always give me away. You can't lose. God is so powerful.
Well, I agree with that.
Can I tell you that? God is a very powerful man. Oh, not just a man. I see my God as being more so into the people.
sleeping
They
like
gotta do everything.
Where were you sleeping, Brittany, like 2 weeks ago when it was like minus 5 degrees? You weren't sleeping outside, were you?
To tell you the truth, I'm so sorry. I don't know where I was. Last night, I don't even know. I'd like to get up here to where I can get somewhere safe to stay, but I don't have no bed. They don't put me in a bed for some reason. It's very sad. Right here, if you make the first.
You want me to drop you off here?
Yeah, the circle right there. You see the circle, okay?
Yeah. The soup kitchen opens at 2 o'clock if you're hungry.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
On Rogers, you know where that is?
Yeah, I'm on 34th over on, is it by Plum? Close to Plum, maybe?
No, it's by Switchyard Park.
Oh, okay, no.
Have you been in there?
You take me up to the bus stop if you want.
Okay, I'll take you to the bus stop.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I don't know my way around, really.
Do you have a phone number of somebody we can call?
I'm not sure what everybody does. I don't know everybody's problems, but I do know the only thing I have right now, as of now, is a big, fat problem. It's a hot mess.
What problem? I can help you with it.
Well,
lay it on me. Paint me a picture, Brittany. I'm here to help.
They're never going to get there in time. How are they supposed to help you if you can't help them?
Have you been to the doctor lately?
You're always helping them, though. You know what I'm saying? I can't explain it. Like, if I could turn back time myself like Cher did, I wouldn't want to. Because there's always something busy. Everybody's busy. There's always people doing stuff.
That was just a song. She didn't really turn back time.
No, I know she didn't do that. I know.
Although that was a cool video on the deck of the ship there. You know this dude?
Yeah, he's a good guy. That guy.
Here.
Hey.
Here, ask him if he needs a ride. We'll give him a ride.
He's okay. No, I'd rather not. He's all right.
Oh, okay. Well.
We're all right, though. You know, people are just people living life.
What kind of music do you listen to? You seem to know a lot about cars and a lot about music.
I get aggravated because I'm never in the right place where I want to be at. And I get scared a lot. I scream and get mad and stuff. That's not my problem. That's everybody's problem, really, because we all get scared. We're all immune to our own emotions. You got problems, I got problems, so deal with it, you know? I don't want to be stuck in a place where I can't get out of. That's not what I wanted for myself. I wanted to get something to eat, like I said. I would like to get something to drink. I would like to get some clothes. I'd like to get a shower. There's a lot of things I've been trying to do here lately, but it seemed like impossible. You know?
Well, I just gave you a pop there.
What's that?
I just gave you a pop.
Yeah,
if you're thirsty, drink up.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's one problem out of the way. And then if you need something to eat, you want me to take you down to the soup kitchen, or?
Hey, I mean, that'd be cool. Maybe I could get there. I mean, that'd be really nice.
I can take you down there, or I can take you to the bus stop.
What's your name again? I'm sorry.
Zook. This is your world. You're riding in luxury.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Today's your day, Brittany. I'll take you wherever you want to go.
If you can make it that right, if you can make it right happen. See, people are looking.
It's no turn on red, and I don't want to get busted by the police. Although the police here in Bloomington are very professional and very nice, and we love. And if you're ever in trouble, you talk to the police,
we're
right?
All liars, yes. We all lie in our own beds. I need a safe bed to get to, and I've never had one of those. So the only street and the only hood and the only friends that I have is my family. I try to scream at them all the time, yell at them, wake them up. Sometimes Zeke, Daniel, whichever, saying, cook. The only one I cook is me. Ain't that something? I don't know how to tell you anything because you can help if you're helping all the time, you know? If you can help, I can help. I don't know why we can't both do this shit, you know? Does that explain anything? Can I show you? I don't know why, but we just have to sometimes. It don't make no sense, does it? Well, it definitely just don't. It don't make no sense because people are so real. I mean, their life is real. You know.
Hang on. Let me get a word. Let me get a word in here. You're quite the orator. Where did you go to school? Did you go to school in Bloomington?
Don't break my hopes and dreams. I ain't never really had big hopes and dreams like them people, huh?
Where'd you go to school?
I'm just one person. I went to school, a couple different places. I went to school.
Where?
I went to Blue River. I don't know if you're familiar with that. And,
is that in Indiana?
I've been down to the lake. Yes, I've been to the Newcastle and New River, the Trojans, love the Trojans. I don't want to go to the Switchyard, but let's not topple that all at once because people are entitled to their own dreams and shit.
What, are there a bunch of weirdos down there?
No, I'll be there. That's okay.
Okay.
Actually, ain't Wendy's up here on the right? Can we make another right here? If you could, I'd love to see if you could maybe try to get me. That one man was very generous to help me and that one guy last night. It all just happens the way, I don't know, I can't explain it. A small fry and a cheeseburger would be nice. There goes Wendy.
Well,
there's the turn, you missed it.
they've got plenty of food up here.
Where's it at? Up here?
At the Roger Street Soup Kitchen.
Roger Street. I don't want to go to Roger Street no more. Can we just stay here in the country?
Well, it's...
I mean, you mind your own business too, but I need some place for meat.
You want to go to Switchyard?
I would like to stay here in the farm, if you don't mind, but that's okay. I know everybody's out to their own beach, so you know, that thank God for another day. Like I said, you know, I'm not God himself. I don't know what he does. I don't know what
Well, I don't
real
either.
people in the real world do. So let's make it right here and cut to the chase. Maybe we could get down there to Wendy. I can see if Wendy's is there. I was like,
Oh well, that's
you got any change on you? I could help spare some change. I know some people.
no, I don't have any money, but I'll take you wherever you.
No, that's what I need is to be taken somewhere. Yeah, that's another thing. I don't know. I get around a lot and people can't help. I mean, you can. So I appreciate that, but you can help by helping yourself sometimes too.
Well, you know, I've heard that. There's definitely logic in those
A
words.
million different people. Let's turn right here. I don't
Okay. All right, we'll turn right here.
Okay.
Okay. But I'm gonna have to drop you off here, Brittany. So I gotta
Take
get.
me all the way back down into the farm. You know what a Circle K is? Can we get to that Circle place?
Okay, I'll drop you off at Circle K.
I probably won't get there, but it's okay. We can pretend to. Life goes on.
Are they pretty nice? Are they pretty nice there at Circle K?
No, they won't treat me at all. That's why I'm trying to say you can take me somewhere, but Jesus Christ, a minute ago you said you could help. I don't know what I do, man. They cannot help by helping me the way they think they know how to. This is a big secret, I guess. Life is such a big, mysterious secret. And they want that because nobody really knows for sure. If they know, then why do they keep doing this stuff? And how come I can't help myself? Why do you got to do all that stuff trying to think you can help me when you're not helping someone? They particularly tell you what they need, and they try to ask you and scream for you and do the step. I can't do all the things like they do. I'm not everybody in one body, you know.
Well, have you talked to them down at the mission?
I don't know. I don't like to talk to people because they don't really like to talk to me.
Well, I like to talk to you.
I don't think people do like to talk that much. That's why they put words in books and stuff, and it's just a big fairy tale. You know, let's go on with it. It's just a show. Everybody else gets to.
What kind of books do you read?
I'm just, my name's Britney, but that's for Kathleen because I love Kathy. Kathy's the best fucking woman in the whole world.
No, well, now who's Kathy?
She's my best friend.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know her, really. That's why she's my best friend. I didn't say that way. But
So you don't know Kathy?
whatever they're doing is not the right thing, and they know it's not right.
Okay.
So whatever you think is right, I guess. Somebody wins, somebody loses. I don't really play the game because she didn't play around. The woman was very fucking polite, not rude all the time like most people sometimes can't get.
So is there such a person as Kathy or not?
Kathy?
Yeah.
Ann? Yeah, she's real.
Oh.
Kathy?
Yeah.
Lewis? Or whoever you was trying to mix into the picture?
Kathy Lewis is her
Yeah,
name?
there's a book. And nobody likes the cops because cops don't talk enough. They just need proof and evidence and keep finding things that's not theirs to find. They want that. I mean, I just want to be left alone sometimes. I feel like I'm dying. When I need something, I try to ask sometimes, can I get some help? Boom, 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 boom. Everywhere you go, there's nowhere to get really the real help that you need. They won't help you. They will say, to hell with her.
Well,
book her.
all right, can you make me a promise, Brittany?
You make me a promise, and I'll make you a promise.
Okay, you promise me that you're gonna go to the mission and sleep tonight. Okay, don't sleep outside.
Okay, so I can do that.
Okay, all right, let's shake on it.
Thank you. All right, hey.
Okay.
If you did have a little bit of change, I could help you.
I don't have any change, but I'm praying for you, and you've got a nice big red cola there.
Okay, yeah.
All right, and and when you see me on the street, give me a wave and I'll help you.
I love your car. You take this baby easy.
Okay. All right, Brittany. Remember, you promised me you're going to go to the mission.
You promised me to stay.
Okay. Well, boy, there's one. Brittany is obviously, I don't exactly know what's troubling her, but she's obviously not very well put together. And, I don't know. That's always a puzzling one when someone is just doesn't seem to have the mental cognition to handle day-to-day things. But we're praying for Britney. We'll look for Britney in the future, and hey, we're gonna go from there. So if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you again soon. That's right, folks, it's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we're taking time out from the road to do a little maintenance on the official Vagrant's Valet command vehicle. That's right. Many of you have noticed, many of you have commented, the door handle on the interior on the passenger side doesn't work, so the passenger has to reach outside to the exterior handle to open the door, which can seem a little bit spooky, especially when you're riding with some dude who yells, "Hey, you want to ride?" So I ordered the new handle from Hyundai, but you have to take apart the whole door skin here that I took off. You can see me? You guys see me? Ding ding. And then we have to attach it to the cable here. This part goes right here, attach it to the cable, and then put everything back. So I think I can do it, but I'm not exactly sure. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Look at this. I had to chop a hole in the door with the old trusty tin snips here. But now we have nice smooth action there. See that? Nice smooth action. Now look at that, smooth action put back together just fine. Not too bad for a lowly art teacher. Ding ding.